Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like you are constantly running on fumes, pushing yourself harder and harder, only to hit a wall of exhaustion? Maybe you are productive, but you are also teetering on the edge of burnout. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for anyone who wants sustainable productivity and well-being: how to effectively review your energy levels without adding more stress to your plate. It is not about making another to-do list. It is about understanding yourself better. So let's dive into why reviewing your energy is so important and how to do it simply and effectively. Why bother with an energy review? First off, let's clarify what we mean by energy. It's not just physical energy, like how much sleep you got. We're talking about mental, emotional, and even spiritual energy. Our modern lives demand a lot from us across all these domains, and often burnout comes from unnoticed drains in one or more of these areas. Regularly checking in on your energy is a proactive step. It allows you to catch those little dips before they become major crashes. Think of it like checking the fuel gauge in your car. You wouldn't wait until you are stranded on the side of the road to realize you are empty, right? The same goes for your personal energy. Now, how do we do this without it feeling like another chore? Let's talk about the light touch energy audit. Number, number, number the light touch energy audit. This isn't about journaling for an hour every day. It is about quick, insightful check-ins. Tip 1, the daily check-in. A quick scan. This is a really simple, almost subconscious practice. Just 3 times a day. Take a literal 10-second pause. In the morning, before you even dive into your first task, ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Not just physically, but mentally, emotionally. Are you feeling eager, dreading something, or just neutral midday? Around lunchtime or mid-afternoon, check in again. How am I doing now? Have I experienced any energy dips or boosts? Notice if a particular meeting or task has left you drained. In the evening, before winding down, ask, what truly energized me today? What consistently drained me? The key here is not to judge, just to observe. You are building awareness, not a dissertation. Tip 2, the weekly pulse. Reflect and adjust at the end of your week, maybe Sunday evening or Monday morning. Dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes to a slightly deeper review. Asterisk, look back at the past 7 days. What were the highlights? What were the lowlights? Specifically, ask yourself, what activities, people, or situations gave me energy this week? And conversely, what consistently drained my energy this week? Identify any patterns. Maybe those long virtual meetings always leave you zapped. Or perhaps a morning walk consistently boosts your mood. Asterisk, then, ask, what is one small thing I can change or adjust for next week to better manage my energy? This isn't about a complete overhaul, but a minor tweak. Maybe it is blocking out 10 minutes after a draining call, or scheduling that walk. Let me know in the comments below. What is one thing that consistently drains your energy during the week? I'm curious to hear what you all struggle with. Tip 3, the monthly deep dive strategy session. Once a month, set aside about 15 to 20 minutes for a more strategic look. This is where you connect the dots from your daily and weekly observations. Consider major areas of your life: work, relationships, health, hobbies, personal growth. Asterisk for each area. Give it a quick rating from 1 to 5 on how much energy it is currently giving you versus how much it is taking. Asterisk, then brainstorm strategies. Are there areas where you are consistently in deficit? What larger adjustments could you make? This might involve delegating a task at work, setting better boundaries in a relationship, or finally committing to that new workout routine. Asterisk, remember, the goal is not to eliminate all drains, but to have more energy inputs than outputs. Common pitfalls to avoid as you start this journey. There are a few things to keep in mind. Don't make it another chore. If it feels overwhelming, you are doing it wrong. Keep it quick. Keep it simple. Don't judge yourself. This is an observation exercise, not a self-critique. Just notice what is, without adding guilt or shame. Don't overanalyze. Focus on actionable insights, not getting stuck in paralysis by analysis. Don't try to fix everything at once. Small, consistent changes are far more effective and sustainable than trying to overhaul your entire life overnight. Implementing even just one of these energy review methods can make a huge difference in preventing burnout and helping you lead a more balanced and energized life. Give it a try this week. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on productivity, well-being, and living your best life. Also, check out this video next where I talk about specific strategies for boosting your mental energy when you feel that afternoon slump. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.